Do you ever find yourself wishing you could transform your body without having to invest in expensive gym equipment? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into 5 incredibly effective exercises that require no equipment at all, allowing you to sculpt your body and get in the best shape of your life, right from the comfort of your own home. First up, we have the classic push-up. Not only does this exercise target your chest, shoulders and triceps, but it also engages your core for added stability and strength. Next, we have squats. Whether you're aiming to build strength in your legs or tone your glutes, squats are a powerhouse exercise that can be modified to suit any fitness level. Moving on to lunges. This dynamic exercise not only works your legs but also improves balance and coordination, making it a fantastic addition to any workout routine. Now, let's talk about planks. By holding a plank position, you'll engage your entire core, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back, helping to sculpt a strong and stable midsection. Last but not least, we have burpees. Love them or hate them, burpees are an incredibly efficient full-body exercise that targets multiple muscle groups while also providing a cardiovascular challenge. So there you have it, 5 exercises without equipment that can help you transform your body quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, incorporating these moves into your routine can yield impressive results. With that said, thanks for watching and see you next time.